Have a good day, sir. I am Jerwin El Sampilo from the section A1. In this presentation, I am going to discuss the salient provision of the RA 10601, the Agricultural and Fisheries Mechanization Development, or the AFMEC law. The Agricultural Fisheries Mechanization Development was implemented in the year of 2013. It was signed by past President Benigno Simeon C. Aquino III. Agricultural and fisheries machinery refers machinery and equipment for production, harvesting, storage, processing, manufacture, preserving, transporting, distribution for agricultural and fisheries production. The AFMEC law ensures the quality and safety of machineries and equipment locally manufactured or imported by strengthening regulation through the development and enforcement of machinery and machine performance standard, registration and the accreditation and classification of suppliers, assemblers, and manufacturers to ensure compliance to prescribed quality standard. And there are six institutions of AFMEC law. First is the AFMEC, the Agricultural and Fisheries Mechanization Committee. The AFMEC acts as an advisory body to ensure the success of the programs and activities of DE concerning agricultural and fisheries mechanization. Second is the Bureau of Agricultural and Fisheries Engineering, or the BAF. The role of BAF is tasked to monitor compliance to the provision of the law for farm machinery manufacturer to provide warranty and after-sales service for their products. The third is the PhilMec, or the Philippine Center for Post-Harvest Development and Mechanization. PhilMec is a committee who coordinate, plan, and execute agricultural and fishery mechanization and post-harvest research development and extension programs and projects of DA, or the Department of Agriculture. Next is the Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Product Standard, or the BAF. The AFMEC law mandated BAF to develop standards, specification, and test procedure for agricultural and fishery machinery and equipment in coordination with accredited testing center. And next is the AMTEC, or the Agricultural Machinery Testing and Evaluation Center. The AMTEC is a committee who assists the Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Standard, or the BAF, in the formulation of quality, safety, and performance standard of agricultural and fisheries machinery and of accreditation guidelines for testing centers. And the last is the LGU, or the Local Government Units. LGU is the one who undertakes applied research, extension, dispersal, management, and regulation of agricultural and fisheries machinery equipment. The AFMEC law refers to the following. First is the development. Development is the way to create the condition, the accumulation of knowledge, and availability of technology for the fulfillment of agricultural potential. Second is the adoption. The worker of AFMEC law or their agencies trying to persuade the farmers to embrace the new agricultural technology for agricultural processing. And third is assembly. They helps farmers, especially in the small farm, to collect their product produced to sell in mandis or in a large market in appropriate price. And manufacture. The AFMEC law believe that through farm mechanization, it can enhance the efficiency of both land and labor inputs that are vital in sustaining food production and increasing farm income. And also refers in cost of effective machinery used for agricultural and fisheries production. And refers also in operation consistent with agronomic condition and efficient and economic farm and fishery management. The aim and objectives of AFMEC. The aim and objectives of AFMEC law is to improve the lives of every Filipino farmers and fisher folks. Also to improve efficiency of production, promote cost-effective technologies, thereby enhancing the meager farm income. and also to mandates the formulation of comprehensive national policy on cost-effective and environmentally safe agricultural and fisheries to achieve food security and increase farm income. The APMICLO promote the development and adoption of modern, appropriate, and cost-effective and environmentally safe agricultural and fisheries machinery and equipment to enhance farm productivity and efficiency in order to achieve food security and safety and increase farm incomes. RE 10601 provision stipulate different unlawful activities that may be committed by an individual. Example, the selling, mortgaging, and leasing agricultural and fishery machinery without being registered with the Bureau of Agricultural and Fisheries Engineering, or the BAF. Second, selling of agricultural and fishery machinery without warranty or after-sales service, and claiming of ownership to an agricultural and fishery machinery that has not been properly registered in his or her name, and operating a testing center without proper accreditation. And that are the four prohibited acts under AFMIC. That's all. Thank you.